So for our previous lesson, we learned about the alphabet of music. So in guitar, there is also called minors, which I will teach you right now. So this is for C. Let's start with letter C. C minor.